What priority should you place on having your fire protection equipment serviced and maintained? What can be the consequences if your fire protection equipment fails to operate in the event of a fire emergency? If we consider the reasons why we have such equipment, it may help us to decide why it is important to ensure that this equipment is fully operational 24/7. When designing a building, one of the most important considerations is the fire strategy. Part of the fire strategy will include equipment such as the fire alarm, emergency lighting, fire extinguishers, fire doors, smoke control systems, etc. Therefore, with all the safety equipment installed and operational as per the design, building control would have passed the building as safe to occupy. Therefore, the occupants of the building will be considered at low risk when using the building. However, to maintain the status of a low fire risk, the fire protection equipment must remain fully operational at all times. One way to accomplish this is to ensure that all the fire protection equipment that make up the fire strategy is serviced and maintained in accordance with the relevant fire codes and good practice guides. The fire alarm is at the heart of most fire strategies. It is usually the first bit of equipment that identifies the possible existence of a fire. Not only does the fire alarm have to evacuate the building, but it also may have to interface to other fire safety equipment such as smoke vents, fire doors, call the fire brigade, drop fire curtains and dampers, switch off any plant, and this could include the gas valves and air conditioning. For this reason, it is imperative that the fire alarm is in good working order in the event of an emergency. Fire alarms should be tested on a weekly basis. Service and maintenance visits should be carried out as recommended in the Fire Code BS 5839 or as recommended by your fire risk assessment. A competent person or BAFE accredited fire alarm company should carry out the required maintenance. The advantages of using a reputable BAFE fire alarm company is you can be confident that the system will be tested as required in accordance with the standards, and issues will be highlighted at the time of the service, and if instructed can be rectified straight away. If you require a competent fire alarm company to look after your fire protection equipment, why not call our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website on www.firesystems.co.uk and complete our contact form.